Uh, we're here right now. We climb up on top of the Mori Point here, Pacifica, and as you can see, there's a lot of people going outdoor, just taking a walk, and look like we're raining today, cloudy. Uh, yeah, it's a beautiful day to walk. It's windy and cold, so kind of really uh, bundle up. People will leave home, and here we are here on top of the Mori Point, and just for a walk right here, just getting some ocean air, you know. So we've been staying in the house yesterday all day, so they could get out to get some sun and fresh air. So you can see, hello. Oh, see. Yeah, there you go, behind me, Mori Point. Uh, just sunny. It's nice to walk. It's a bit cold and windy, but the point is, you know. There you go. Oh, what's she doing? So yeah, we stay home. You know, just take a walk. You can every day. Depends on the weather. So yeah, today is kind of really cold. That kind of prepare ourselves, bundle up. See, you can tell I'm, you know, bundle up pretty good. It's windy, so beautiful. Beautiful. So see the waves right there. Sound of the waves. It's a high surf, but on the other side of the end of the pier, they closed down because of the uh, water going through the street because the high surge. So just a precaution. So they closed down the street going to the beach on the other side. So it's good. So what's your comment regarding this weather? So we head down to other side of the Mori Point, overlooking the pier. Now can you hear the wind? So that's the pier right there. They open it, so people go there for crabbing. So, but the commercial crabbing is not started yet. So it is still the fisherman is still bargaining for the price of the crab before they go out. Because some of the commercial distributor asking for low price per pound, so the fishermen, they're not going out for the price that they've been asking. So we don't have any crab in the Christmas or even New Year's. They don't have any crab. So usually Thanksgiving Day we have crab, but now, so yeah, it's windy. There's a lot of people walking here. So next time we're gonna go down the hill. Yeah, we have to be the right shoes going up there because the soap trail going up there. So okay, it's beautiful. That's why it's hard to leave part of California because of this, of the place that you can walk in along the ocean. So it's hard, but maybe in the future, I don't know when, but just let you know. Okay. So we're gonna walk down on the other side of Okay, let's go. Wanna go this way? Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna head down again to the trail. So it's pretty much steep going up. So we're going down, it's no problem, but going up, there you go, this guy is coming up in a bike. So just be careful. People going up in the bike, so they're not giving the right of way sometimes. So sometimes they give you a warning behind you to move on the right. So okay, so we go down to the trail. See, there's a nice view going down. Okay. So you see the dog, the Siberian Husky right there. Hi, Pooch. Hi. Can you catch your camera? Hi.
Oh,
Hi. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Easy girl.
Yeah, that Siberian Husky tried to want to get a selfie. So yeah, there's still a lot of people going outdoor. You cannot blame them. I mean, you know, even though they said shelter in place, but you need to get out. You know, I mean, it's not healthy staying at home, not getting some fresh air and sun. So